The speed of light, according to NASA, is 299,792.458 kilometers per second. The Quran states in chapter 32, verse 5, "All matters are controlled by Him from the heaven to the earth. To Him, the day is equivalent to 1,000 of your years." Quranic years are lunar years. The Islamic calendar is based on the moon. A lunar year is 27.321661 days. Let us form an equation from the above verse. On the left side of the equation, let us work out the distance light travels in a day. Because we are trying to find the speed of light, let us assume it is unknown and represented by CC as a common symbol used by scientists for the speed of light. We also know there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour, and 23 hours 56 minutes, 4.0906 seconds in a sidereal day. So the left side of the equation can be represented by C times 60 times 60 times 23 hours 56 minutes. 4.0906 seconds equals 86,164.0906 seconds. Since Quranic years are lunar, we need to find the distance the moon travels in 1,000 lunar years, or 12,000 lunar months. This will go on the right side of the equation. Then we will solve the equation for the value of the unknown value c to come up with the speed of light. If we take the average orbital velocity of the moon in kilometers per hour and multiply by the number of hours in a day, and the number of days in a lunar month, we get the distance traveled by the moon in a lunar month. Simply multiply this by 12,000, which is the number of lunar months in 1,000 lunar years. There are 27.321661 days in the lunar month and 24 hours in the day. So 655.7196 hours in a lunar month. So the right side of the equation seems to be 3,682.07 speed times 655.71986 hours times 12,000 months. There is one little adjustment we have to make. The Earth goes round the Sun and the Moon goes around the Earth. So the Moon is traveling at an angle. This angle is the 360 degrees. The Earth rotates in 365.2422 days, or 0.98564733 degrees per day. We multiply this by the total number of days in a lunar month to get the angle. This is 26.9289 degrees and 27.321661 lunar days. Then, as with anything that travels at an angle, we use the cosine function from trigonometry to calculate the real distance traveled by the moon along the Earth. The cosine of 26.9289 is 0.89157, so our equation becomes C times 86,164.0906 equals 12,000 months times 3,682.07 velocity in kilometers per hour times 655.71986 hours in a lunar month times 0.89157 cosine of angle. And solving this gives us the value of C as 299,792.4988 kilometers per second.